Canva is an online graphic design designed to use to create social media posts, videos, flyers, presentation, posters, and so much more. Guys, just name it. You can use Canva for all your editing, everything you need it for. So if you're a content creator into graphic and video editing, Canva is the must have. Canva can be used for free to do basic things, but if you would like to unlock professional and mind-blowing features, you have to subscribe to Canvas. Like, you have to pay for subscription fee. For the pro version, which is definitely going to cost you money, and it's about 23,000 plus monthly, yearly, and I think it's about 2,800 naira monthly. So I think the yearly plan is actually okay. It means you pay 23,000 plus yearly, which is fair. That is, you pay per month. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can unlock this pro version for free without paying any subscription money whatsoever. So watch this video to the very end as I show you step-by-step process on how you can unlock the pro version, and use it whenever you want, and you can use it for whatever you want. Stick to the video to the very end so you don't miss any step I take, and you not end up asking me the same question in the comment section. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On this channel I teach content creating, YouTube tips, DIYs, and lots more. Thanks for clicking to watch this video. Thank you. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Canva Pro for free. I mean, absolutely free. So guys, I'm going to take you to the screen, my phone screen, as I'm going to be teaching you step by step. Please do well to follow, and please guys, if you are really interested and you know you have gotten value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, we are just getting started on YouTube, so I need you all to encourage me to do more. If you find this video very helpful, please just subscribe, share this video, like, comment, and thank you. See you in the other screen. Welcome back, guys. So first we need to have a Canvas app, and this is mine right here. I'm just going to open it now and we start the process. And should the case you are not using your phone, because I'm using my phone right now, you have to use if you are using a laptop, you can go to the web, just search on Google, just type canva.com, it will bring it up. So now I'm going to click on my Canva. So guys, this account, there are actually 2 methods to this. I'm going to be teaching you step by step. This account that I opened here is not on pro version. Okay, so right now if I'm to bring it on pro version, I just have to click on pro. Then it's going to tell me try Canva Pro for free. That is, I can get unlimited access for content library, premium templates, and powerful design tools. So what I'm going to do now is just to click on the 14 days free trial. Now that I'm here, I'll just click on my start my free trial. Okay guys, this is how much I'm supposed to pay, which I told you earlier that you are not going to pay any money. All you have to do is just follow this step. Follow this step. Okay, so now it's telling me yearly 23,900. Guys, if you have the money, please pay, but if you don't have, you can go through this route. And monthly is charging it's charging 2,800, which I think is more expensive anyway. So right now I'm just going to start and subscribe, and it says here that you cancel anytime. Subscription auto renews by joining. You agree to our policy and so on. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start my trial now and subscribe. So it's going to bring out something like this. This is where I'm going to input my card details. So I won't be doing that here now, or I think I need to upgrade my card. Okay, let me do that anyway. I have a card here that is expired, so all I need to do is go back. I don't know, it's not giving me. So okay, this is a new payment thing. So I'm just going to input my card number 5366. Okay, what I'm doing now is that I'm inputting my card number. Everything is on your debit card. All this number that is required is on your debit card, so you can just take your card and you search for it. Okay, so right now I'm saving my card on my Google account. I can actually delete this if I want to. So now my card has been added. All I have to do is to click on subscribe, which I have done. Okay, it needs my password. Oh, let me use my password. Okay. Oh, what's that? The password that you have entered is incorrect. Oh, I think my ATM password. Okay. What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong, guys. So I think let me go back. Let me click on subscribe again. Verify my purchase. Let me use my. I'm trying to use my screen. My fingerprint no match. No. My password 1 2 3 4. Verify. I think I don't know what's going on anyway. What password exactly? I'm coming, guys. Sorry. I had to click on forget password because I don't know. Oh, probably to my email. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, let me click. Let me. Okay guys, that was my email password, so I've clicked that. Subscribed, guys. I have actually subscribed. We only used manage backup payment settings. We only use this to keep your subscription active. If there is a problem with your primary form of payment, you can remove it at any time. So I'll just say no thanks. So guys, right now I have subscribed. So what I'm going to do right now is asking me start a group. Let me just click on personal projects next. Ta-da! I have the pro version, guys. I have it now. So for you to know that I'm using the pro version, it's telling me welcome to Canva Pro. You are giving yourself a competitive edge. Okay, thank you. Wow, guys, can you see my dashboard now? That is, I have actually subscribed for it. So right now, okay, here is what I'll do next. Templates. Let me search for a template for you to now actually unlock the process. Okay, let me click on this one. You can see the pro version logo on it. That is, if I'm not on this pro version, I can't use this. So let me just quickly edit this. Edit. I'm just going to write D. Okay, so I've done that. I think okay. So I want to save this right now. What I'm going to do is I'll click on this. I'll click on download. Guys, if I'm not on this pro version, did you see all this crown? It will be yellow or gold, but now I can download because I'm on a pro version. Okay guys, so I'm just going to download this. Voila, I've been able to do this successfully, guys. So this is it. So guys, this particular email that I used to open this account is a new one. Okay, this is a new version. Like I have an old account. I have an old email. Sorry guys, I ought to say this at the beginning. So I had to open another email using that same email, like my mail email. So for you to do that, for you to get another email from your email, like that is, I can use thousands of emails. So all I have to do now is to go back to my Chrome browser. Okay, I have it opened already. This is it. This is actually the email I used to generate all this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll leave the link to this generator email in my description. Do also check it out. So if you come here, you'll be able to get thousands of emails. Like guys, I have lots and lots. I think at the beginning it says 1000. Okay, this is about 1000 plus pages. So like I have a lot of emails I can come back and use. So what this app does is just to generate Gmail for you. So that being said, let's move to the second stage. So for the first method I used, I told you I used my Gmail, my personal Gmail. I was able to generate another Gmail from it. So there it's giving me 14 days trials. Okay, this is 14 days trial. And now if you want to cancel that plan, just like this, all I have to do right now, I want to cancel my plan. So I'll go to home, I'll click here, then I'll go to settings, incoming. So I'll just click on okay, I'll click on, I think, plan and pricing, or I'll go back to my settings. Okay, so no, I'll just click on my setting. So in here I have my setting. This is my setting. So all I have to do is to click on subscription. I can actually cancel my plan here. So now it's telling me that my next bill, like when my trial is going to end, it will be on the 26th of August 2024. So now if I want to do it now, I have to cancel the plan before 26th of August. Probably I'll do it 24th of August, or I can do it 23rd of August. But the thing is that it must not be 26th of August before I cancel the plan. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to cancel the plan. Okay, so here is asking me if I'm sure, so I'll just say yes, I'm sure. I think that's manage subscription. So what I'm going to do now, I want to cancel. I've clicked on that, so all I'm going to do right now is just to cancel. Okay, so this is asking me I don't know, I don't even know what to click, but let me click that. I say continue, cancel subscription. I have actually cancelled the subscription, guys. So I have cancelled it. Can you all see? So if this was to be me, all I have to do is to cancel the plan before the particular time given. So I'm back to my normal Canva Pro right now. So if I'm to use this now, if I'm to use this particular template that I picked earlier, I have to, let me try and download it. Okay, I don't know, it's not giving me probably it's not set already. So guys, this is how to use Canva Pro for free without paying any time. So if you find this video helpful and you benefited a lot from it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more updates on our video upload on this kind of topics. Okay guys, and also please don't forget to support us by giving this video a big thumbs up, so other people can come back and learn from this video, because most of us now we are into content creation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.